Hi everyone. We are from HLCBA project and we developed a website called COVID Helping Hands just to help the people affected in COVID situation. So mainly we have the information hub and volunteer hub. Jitendra will explain about the website.
Yeah, thanks, Vishwa. So this is the landing page where that all the intro has been posted. So what are the functionality of that application? So all that intro is kept here. So we have information hub, information ASCAD, doorstep ASCAD, ambulance ASCAD, and similarly for they are facing any problem to access the website and in login or in related to registration, so they can reach out to the contact, uh, and going to like other functionality what we have implemented under this website. So we have that registration where that like people can register. So we have the two type of register. One is the requester who can request that information. Another is volunteer. So volunteer having the three type of volunteer here: the information, ambulance, and door scan. So that is the page where the people can register either a requester or volunteer. And another coming to that, we have a login page. Through that we can enter to our application. So first, let me go to that admin page where if some volunteer is wanted to register it, then they will not able to access immediately that application until admin is going to approve their account. So to approve that account, we have a process and a screen share. So that a screen is called manage user. So when we'll go to view members, that time we have to select some user who is not verified, and they are we have to verify their attachment if they have attached that appropriate document. So based on that information, admin is going to approve their request and activate their account. So once account will get activated, then they will able to access that this application as a volunteer, and they will able to view all the requests which will be coming through the requesters. So we could see here like a few volunteer is already verified. We will log in through this volunteer and we'll see what are the activity we can do through that. So just I try to log in with one volunteer email ID. Just I giving some password here to get it inside the application. So this is our dashboard. So in the dashboard we have few things. He will able to see all other volunteer details as well, and some information hub where he can go through these pages and they can navigate some other information, like if they wanted to go with wanted to check the Tamil Nadu blood donation information, they can go to this link. Either they wanted to see something called related to coronavirus helpline number, they can go through that, and we have that another information is posted in the application. So these through that they can collect that information and they can perform the required activity. So coming back to the application, so this is the dashboard where we have posted some basic informations which is related to that will help to the public. And another thing coming to the request, so we have here some menus for the volunteer. Through that they can view the request whatever the request has been came to the volunteer. So we see we have one request that is showing as requested. So what will happen if I go to request? So here if I click on the request, here we will able to see who has requested. So it will show the email ID. Sorry, it will show here that email ID of that requester. Uh, yeah. Then it will show the mobile number, which kind of the request has been requested to by the requester. It is information, or they wanted to request for the doorstep, or something they wanted to request for ambulance. So the based on the request type, whatever the requester will select, it will going to appear that in their request detail. And currently a status is requested. And let's see if I wanted to work on this request whatever they have requested. So let's see, I'm one of the volunteer in this application, so I can say that I'm working. I'm I'm working on your request, and I will submit the comment. So it will appear my details, and this my detail will be able, a requester will also able to view that my numbers and my comment. Through that, either they wanted to contact directly through the phone, they can contact by this provided number. Let's see, this person has requested this. I will going to log in at this account and will see what I have requested and what the response we have received from volunteer. So just moving to that requester. So if I going to log in as a requester, I will able to see, I will go to my request, and in my request something was the test, so that it became in progress, which was in the requested state. I will move, I will see this, whatever the volunteer has kept that comment, I will able to view from here, and even the volunteer contact detail. Through that contact detail, we can reach him to get to know that what is the status for this request, or if we have that additional information or some more clarification with the volunteer, directly we can use through the phone number instead of the comment. If my comment or something is not sufficient and not getting clarified by this communication through the comment or through the application, directly we can reach through the phone number. So something I wanted to say, thanks for accepting the request, thanks for accepting the request. So volunteer will able to view what response we have got from the requester. And similarly, when so now we could see that this status became in progress. Initially it was in requested state. So now if I go back to volunteer, I will able to see the same thing. If I wanted to resolve it, I can resolve it directly. So here, let's see, to go to that request which it was requested. So currently it is in progress. Just I clicked here, I see this is the response we have received from the requester. So for requester, we are not highlighting here the phone number because already we are entire profile, it is on the top. So through that I can refer it either mobile number or email address. So, and something like if work got completed, so we can say thanks as discussed on call, uh, as information provided on the call in provided on call is sufficient. So if I leave the comment and if I wanted to close, then yeah, I can close it straightforward by switching the status. So yeah, it has been closed. Now our final status has been completed. Same thing it will reflect to this profile. So this is the whole flow which we have implemented in this application. One step will have here to registration of volunteer. Second step will verify the volunteer, and third step the third section will come as to create as a account as a register requester, where people can request their request, and it will come to the volunteer can work on those requests, and whatever the request will come to this volunteer. Let's see, if I'm going to request information type, so in that case, like all that information SCAD will able to see their request, and if like multiple person are able to help them, they can leave the comment, or something they have some additional information they can also put for that request. So on one request, it can be provided the multiple information. So like something they have provided one information, but that medicine is not available right now. Some other volunteer having different information. So like it can be that chain of the comments for the multiple volunteer, like a blog portal where multiple conversation can be shared, and it might be helpful those each and every point to the requester. So that's how the whole application has been flow is implemented for this application.
Okay, thank you, Jitendra. Thanks for the demo. Similarly, we will have for the doorstep squad and the ambulance squad we have. So if you see the complete application, you will come to know. Okay, thank you. Thanks, Jitendra.
Thanks, Viswa.